In this video we are solving question number 7 sub question 3 in problem set 1 chapter linear equations in two variables of Maharashtra board. Now here the problem is to find the number of notes that Anushka had complete the following activity. Suppose that Anushka had X notes of 100 and Y notes of 50 each. Anushka got rupees 2500 from Anand as denomination mentioned above in equation 1. Means if she had X notes of 100 and Y notes of 50, she got 2500 from Anand, and if Anand would have given her amount by interchanging the number of notes. If the number of notes are interchanged, then the Anushka would have received 500 less. Means we have to find the value of X and the value of Y. Means total number of notes of 100 rupees and total number of notes of 50 rupees each. Now moving to the solution part. Here the solution is, the first condition is given that suppose that Anushka had X notes of 100 rupees and Y notes of 50 each. Write down there, therefore from first condition that is suppose that Anushka had X notes of rupees 100 and Y notes of 50 each. Therefore Anushka got rupees 2500 from Anand. Anushka had 100 note of X, means she has 100 into X rupees, plus she has Y notes of 50, means 50 into Y equals to, Anushka got rupees 2500 from Anand as denomination mentioned above, means therefore here equals to 2500. On solving this, that 50 is common here, that 50 into twice of X. Now take this 50 also common here, only Y remains equals to 50 into 50. This is the 50 into 50, that is 2500. 50 and 50 get cancels, we get 2x plus y equals to this 50. This is equation number 1 we get from the condition first. Now the second condition is, therefore from second condition is that if Anand would have given her amount by interchanging the number of notes, means we have to interchange the number of notes, means now this y will be the coefficient of 100, that is 100 of y plus now, and this 50 will be the coefficient of x, that is 50 of x. Now here 50 of x, that is 100 of y plus 50 of x equals to, the condition is that interchanging the number of notes, Anushka would have received 500 less than the previous amount. Means the previous amount is 2500, now she received 500 less, means we have to reduce 500 from this 2500, means 2500 minus 500, that is 2000, means she get 500 less than the previous amount. We get this equation. Now here also 50 is common, that is 50 twice of y plus x equals to 50 into 40, that is 50 and 50 get cancelled, we get twice of y plus x equals to 40. Now this 2y plus x equals to 40 can be written as x plus 2y equals to 40, that is equation number 2. Now this is equation number 2. We get two equations, that is equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now by observing these two equations, we notice that these equations are formed due to interchange of these variables. Now 2 is the coefficient of x, here 2 is the coefficient of y, and here 1 is the coefficient of x, here 1 is the coefficient of y. These equations are formed due to interchange of the variables. Therefore we have solved such type of problems earlier. Therefore, on solving this, add equation 1 and equation 2. The equation 1 is that is 2x plus y equals to 50, and equation 2 that is x plus 2y equals to 40. Add means you have to give plus sign, that is 2x plus x, that is 3x, plus y plus 2y, that is 3 of y, equals to 50 plus 40, that is 90. We get this equation, that is 3x plus 3y equals to 90. Now 3 is common, x plus y equals to 3 into 30. 3 into 30, that is 90. 3 get cancelled, we get x plus y equals to 30. We get new equation, give it equation number 3. We get this equation by adding these two equations. Now subtract equation second from equation 1. Here we have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. That is equation number 1 is, that is 2x plus y equals to 50. Write down here 2x plus y equals to 50. We have to subtract equation number 2, that is x plus 2y equals to 40. That is x plus 2y equals to 40. Now here give the minus sign will change the sign of second equation. Plus x become minus, plus 2y also become minus, and plus 40 will also become minus. Now here 2x minus x, that is x, plus y minus 2y, that is minus of y, 50 minus 40, that is 10. We get x minus y equals to 10. This is the newer equation, give it equation number 4. We get equation number 3, that is x plus y equals to 30 and x minus y equals to 10. Now on solving equation number 3 and equation number 4, what we get is that we have to add equation 3 and equation 4. Equation 3 is, that is x plus y equals to 30, that is given here. We have to add means give here plus sign, and another equation, that is equation number 4, that is x minus y equals to 10. On adding x plus x, that is twice of x, plus y minus y get cancelled, that is equals to 30 plus 10, that is 40. We get twice of x equals to 40. Therefore x will be equals to 40 divided by 2. Therefore x will be equals to 40 divided by 2, that is 20. We get the value of x equals to 20. Therefore put x equals to 20 in either equation number 3 or in equation number 4. We are putting in equation number 3 in equation 3. Here equation 3 is equation 3, that is x plus y equals to 30. Now we have to put the value of x equals to 20 here. Therefore instead of x, put 20 plus as it is y as it is equals to 30. Now this y will be equals to 30 minus 20 means, now this 20 shifted to right hand side, it will become minus of 20. Now y will be equals to 30 minus 20, that is 10. Here we get the values of x and the value of y. The value of x means we have x notes of 100, means the value of x is now 20. Therefore 20 notes, therefore 20 notes of 100, and the value of y we get is 10. Therefore 10 notes of 50 each. Therefore we can write down here. Therefore Anushka had x notes, means the value of x we get is 20 notes of rupees 100, and she had y notes, means the value of y we get is 10 notes of rupees 50. This is our answer. Question number 7, sub question 4 from problem set 1, chapter linear equations in 2 variable, Maharashtra board syllabus. Sum of present age of Manish and Savita is 31. Manish age 3 years ago was 4 times the age of Savita, find their present age. Here two conditions are provided. From these two conditions we have to make two equations, and by solving these two equations we have to find the age of Manish and Savita. Now for solving this, the solution part is, write down the solution here. We don't know the age of present age of Manish and Savita, therefore we have to assume it. Let x be the present age of Manish and y be the present age of Savita. Then from first condition, write down here first condition. The first condition is given that the sum of present age of Manish and Savita is 31. We assume their age as x and y, therefore the sum of that is x plus y, that is the sum of present age of Manish is x and the present age of Savita is y, therefore their addition, by adding we get 31 because sum of their age is 31. Give it equation number 1. Now from the second condition, that is Manish age is 3 years ago, 4 times the age of Savita, therefore from the second condition Manish age 3 years ago was 4 times the age of Savita. Manish today's age is x years, therefore before 3 years his age was x minus 3. This x minus 3 was the age of Manish before 3 years. By the second condition, the age of Manish before 3 years, that is x minus 3 is equals to 4 times the age of Savita. The present age of Savita is y years. Before 3 years ago the age of Savita was y minus 3. We get this condition, that is x minus 3 equals to 4 into y minus 3. Now on solving this we get x minus 3 equals to, now 4 into y minus 3 will be 4 into y, that is 4 of y, minus 4 into 3, that is minus 12. X minus 3, now this 4y will be shifted to left hand side, that is minus of 4y equals to minus 12 as it is. Now this minus 3 will be shifted to here, that is therefore x minus 4y will remain as it is equals to minus 12. Minus 3 will be shifted to right hand side, that will becomes plus 3. Now here we get x minus 4y minus 12 plus 3, that is minus of 9. This is equation number 2. We get two equations, that is x plus y equals to 31 and x minus 4y equals to minus 9. We have to subtract equation number 2, that is this equation, from equation number 1, that is from this equation. Therefore write down here subtract equation 2 from equation 1. We have to subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1. Equation number 1, that is x plus y equals to 31, that is write down here x plus y equals to 31, and equation 2 is, that is x minus 4y equals to minus 9. We have to subtract, therefore write down here minus sign. This minus sign will make this plus minus, this minus plus, and this minus plus. Now x minus x, that will be equals to 0. Now plus y plus 4y, that is 5 of y equals to 31 plus 9. Now neglect this minus sign. 31 plus 9, that is 40. We get 5y equals to 40. Therefore y will be equals to 40 by 5 equals to 8. We get the value of y equals to 8. Therefore y equals to 8. We get y equals to 8. Then put y equals to 8 in equation 1, that is here equation 1 is x plus y equals to 31. Therefore write down equation 1, that is x plus y equals to 31. Now the value of y is 8, therefore write down x as it is plus. the value of y is 8, put 8 here equals to 31. Now here x will be equals to 31 minus 8, that is 31 minus 8 is 23. The value of x we get is 23, but x is the assumed age of Manish and y is the age of Savita. Therefore 23 is the age of Manish, because we assume x as the age of Manish and the value of x is 23, and y, that is 8, is the age of Savita.